Hello YouTubers, welcome back another episode back to my food channel, Cooking with David, the channel when I'm going to show you how to cook delicious dishes step by step. And today we're gonna cook a delicious beef stew. For that recipe we're gonna need a hamburger, we're gonna need the beef, this is chunk roast, we're gonna need golden baby potato, golden mushrooms or regular mushrooms, carrots, fresh thyme, English peas, 1 onion, paprika or pimentón de la vera, oregano, garlic cloves, bay leaves, and red wine. So put your apron on because we are going to cook. Okay, YouTuber, the first thing that we're going to do is to cut the beef in pieces like this, okay? And as well, we're gonna take the excess, okay? Not all of them, because the fat is gonna get juicier, the stew, okay? See right now. And here we have the last piece of meat. So now, we're gonna add salt, oregano, paprika, and black pepper. And we're gonna marinate all this together. Okay, our beef chuck roast is marinated right now with all the spices. We're gonna keep over there. Meanwhile, we're gonna start cutting our vegetable. First of all, the onion. We're gonna chop in little pieces. Okay, the onion is cut. Now we're gonna continue with the rest of the vegetable. We have all the vegetable cut, and now in a casserole with a tablespoon of olive oil, higher heat, we're gonna fry our marinated beef, okay? All of them. Okay, this is all the beef fried, and the same casserole, we're gonna add the chopped onion. We're gonna fry for 5 minutes. We continue with the slices of garlic and mix with the onion. Continue cooking. Now it's time for the carrots and continue cooking. 10 minutes cooking the vegetable already. I'm gonna add the fresh thyme and the bay leaves. And we're gonna continue cooking. Almost there. To the vegetable, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of flour. It's gonna give thickness to the final sauce. Okay, the vegetables are has been cooking with the flour. I'm gonna hide the heat of the stove, and we're gonna add the meat with the juice and everything. And this, we're gonna mix everything together. Now it's time to add the wine. Remember, all the measures of the recipe are in the description box of my channel. So we're gonna cook this until the wine has reduced. Okay, the wine has reduced. So now we're gonna add the tomato sauce to the stew. All of them. Once we have the tomato sauce included in our beef stew, we're gonna add the water. We're gonna mix everything together. Lowest heat. Cover. And we're gonna get this boil for 2 hours cooking. Okay, our beef stew has been cooking for 1 hour and 30 minutes. And this is the result. So delicious. Now, we're gonna add the potatoes. They're already peeled. All of them. And the English peas at the same times. We're gonna remove everything and put in the heat, medium heat. And this stew is gonna be cooking for the last 30 minutes. See you there. Okay, YouTubers, this is my recipe of the day. A delicious beef stew with potatoes and English peas. Okay, I hope you like the recipe that I cooked today in my food channel, Cooking with David. If you like this video, please give me a like. If you want to see more videos of me cooking, subscribe to my channel, Cooking with David. And we will see you next time and more videos, Cooking with David. Bye.